in an orderly fashion, everyone will get an opportunity.
I'm sorry, but we'll be taking that.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Unimoney Asia Cup 2018, one of the biggest events in the cricketing calendar. Asian giants will collide. It's neighbour versus neighbour. It's an opportunity to see your cricket stars shine their brightest. Today, we will see the prize that they're all vying for, and as you can see, we have all the men leading their nations in this historic edition of the Asia Cup. It's been a format that we haven't seen before, with more teams than we've ever seen before. I want to say, captains, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for your patience as well. I'm going to leave the floor open to our colleagues in the media here to ask a couple of questions, so we'll start.
India coming back to UAE after 12 years, and this used to be once upon a time, very center of India-Pakistan rivalry at Sharjah, and you're coming back. India-Pakistan obviously is at the focus. How's the team kind of looking forward to that after the disappointment in England? It's a different format, but still.
Firstly, we are very happy to be back here. As you said, I was not aware of that it's been 12 years since India last played here. So as a team, we are very happy. As a team, look, we are only 7-8 of us here right now. Half the team, still on their way from England, and they'll be back. They'll be here soon. So once everyone gets together, we know the focus and we exactly know what we need to do as a group. And yes, off late we played some great cricket in limited overs. We won quite a few series outside India. So hopefully this gives us another opportunity before the big World Cup. So yes, I'm sure everybody would be looking forward to it. And we'll be focused on job at hand. It's important in a tournament like this, we take one game at a time and think about how we need to go and dominate that game. Rather than thinking too far ahead, it's important that we take one game at a time and move forward.
still is it different to play Pakistan anyway?
See, it's always exciting. It's always exciting to play Pakistan. Of course, they've been a great nation. They've played some real good cricket of late, and we're looking forward to that clash. But again, there are other teams here as well who are eyeing for that title. So all the games that is going to be played here will be quite competitive. And by no means I'm saying, the focus should be on one game. The focus should be on the whole tournament because every game, every team, every nation is eyeing for that title.
K.R. Nair from Gulf News here. Just a question starting with the defending champions, India. I would appreciate all captains to chip in with what makes their team the favorites, and in a short brief if you can give each of them, we would be happy.
I think, all of us are very excited to be here. It's an honor and a privilege to play against, a lot of legends of the game. We're just going to take it game by game. We are hungry. We've worked hard to get here, and we'll just keep trying to impress the world.
It's a very important, tournament for all the teams, participating, and everyone's looking forward to it. They're all excited. Done our preparation, so it's going to be an even contest. I, wish all the teams all the very best.
See, I just mentioned it's no different. Every team will be eyeing for that title, and every team here has, their own way of looking at strength. So, it's going to be a competitive tournament, and which we as a team are really excited about. It's going to be not that easy. Every team needs to really work hard to get what they want out of this tournament. So it's an exciting. It's the first time I'm captaining a full tour. So for me personally, it's quite exciting.
First of all, a great opportunity for all the teams to participating here, and wish them all the luck, and hopefully people watching a good cricket here, and also great opportunity for the teams to participating. Also, the team is winning here, also ranking better as well.
Everyone already told that it's a very important tournament for everyone. Obviously, it's very important for us as well. We did our homework, and hopefully we'll do well. Obviously, first match we play against Sri Lanka, so we're looking forward.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita sebelum siapa dah orang masuk jadi, tim mana sih di rumah saya, tim mana di rumah member di kes tim sebelum tim tadi saya kerja, awalnya orang balik yang angkat sama saya qualify kan, pasang sih di mana sebab Dubai condition dah, rumah ada juga sebab muskilat ini especially di musim, ini garam musim deh. Biar ham dari tim ini start tim mana di, dari tim mana bat kerja, profit tim mana di, agar tim mereka di sistem forward jadi.
Yeah, all the teams are very good teams, especially when they are here to play Asia Cup. And I think special congratulations to Hong Kong that they really deserve to be here. They played very well, but you can't say that you can't favor one team at this stage because all the teams are here to win and they are looking good.
Assalamu alaikum. My question is to all the World Cup, 5 World Cup teams here. Rohit, yeah. Can we say that Asia Cup is the build-up towards the 2019 World Cup? All 5
In a way, you can say that because every team wants to go to that World Cup, knowing their combination, knowing their. But having said that, I personally feel it is important to focus at the job at hand rather than looking too far ahead, which I just mentioned a little earlier. I think every team here will be eyeing for that perfect combination going to the World Cup, and I'm sure every team will here try to get that combination right. But again, I don't understand, and I will not understand what MG here will be thinking about, what he wants to do. Or same with Sarfraz, and Mustafa and the other captains as well. So it's not going to be. I don't know their strength. I don't know their weaknesses. Of course, as the tournament goes by, we will understand what the teams are doing individually. So it is important to understand that. But World Cup is too far ahead now. It is important. We're going to play a lot of games before that. So I think, personally, for me as a member of the squad, it will be nice for us to focus on one little tournament and then move forward. I think it is important. All the guys who are going to be part of this Indian team will have great opportunity to perform and stake their claim for the World Cup spot. So it's a great tournament, like I said, and every team here will be trying for that perfect combination.
I think Rohit covered all of us. I think. No need for this. I think मैं बस यही कहूँगा, जैसे कि रोहित ने कहा कि सीरीज बाय सीरीज अगर खेलेंगे तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है. ऑब्वियसली अगर आप पाकिस्तान टीम की बात करते हैं तो पाकिस्तान टीम का जो आगे नेक्स्ट ईयर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी है और पाकिस्तान टीम बिल्कुल भी फ्री नहीं है. तो बिल्कुल आप कह सकते हैं कि सफ़र जारी है वर्ल्ड कप के लिए, लेकिन जैसा कि रोहित ने बोला कि अभी पहले फोकस करेंगे एशिया कप पे और उसके बाद हमारी आगे आपको पता है सीरीज़ है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से, न्यूजीलैंड से, साउथ अफ्रीका से. तो कोशिश करेंगे कि सीरीज बाई सीरीज है और अपने आप को बेहतर कर देंगे ताकि जब वर्ल्ड कप में हम पहुँचें तो हमें पता चल जाए कि हमारी टीम कहाँ पे खड़ी है और हमारे पास क्या स्ट्रेंथ मौजूद है.
Again, I think as far as the World Cup, I think is still too far, and I think 10 to 12 months left. But you asking that about the Asia Cups, I think everyone loves to go, winning the competition, and after that, I think everyone will play the different series. So I think everything will count through the World Cup. So just can't say that yes, it's a process, but I think every team loves to go tournament or series by series.
وكان في دول تمنيش ورشات فيدي يقول لك من دبر على خبر تمنيش شركت وجاء في من مصر في شان رجال في ممبرز المستا ضد من درجة تجربة من توشي لكن من سريلانكا ومن جزيرة رون كمية جنوب سعودية والكب دبر عليه كنا يجوزي كانوا من جود من كم بيت من كي على دبر تهريب من ما بيسافر عند أفغانستان بعد رجال يختلف في التايم ده التورنمنت ده هما في التورنمنت أخوي شركت لكن والكب ده
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for Afghanistan because we had very little matches with the full members team, so it's a great opportunity for us to play against Sri Lanka in Bangladesh. So definitely we'll study each other more here and then going forward to the World Cup. It will really help us. So, but at a time you can take only one task. So that is our Asia Cup, and our all focus is now on Asia Cup. Thank you.
Our main focus is on the Asia Cup as well as Rohit and all the other captains correctly said. The World Cup is too far ahead, 10 months ahead, and the combinations might change going into the World Cup, but we'll obviously keep an eye on the World Cup as well. But our main focus is the job at hand. As of now, we'll take one game at a time and one series at a time.
Surprise, this is Shomik from Indian Express. Surprise, your captaincy has brought in some sort of stability into the Pakistan white ball team. Earlier, Pakistan white ball team had Misbah until he retired, but the captains in white ball cricket, there was that lack of stability. You have brought on that stability. How do you describe? Any change you have brought on into the process, and how much the Champions Trophy win last year helped facilitate the process?
If you're talking about the white ball cricket, when I was announced the captain before the Champions Trophy, so we have a very young team. So our job is to give confidence our young players. So the way we won the Champions Trophy is very boost up for us, for Pakistan cricket as well. And after that, we just had a meeting with the chief selector and coaching staff. So we go with the same team. So we don't take any, we don't want too many changes in the team. So that's why we give so much confidence our young players, the way responding like Fakhr Zaman, Hassan Ali, Shadab Khan, Fahim Ashraf, they're getting better day by day. So that's why our one day cricket improved because of the youngster is playing very good cricket.
Razia from ARY News. My question is for Angelo Matthews. Angelo, generally there's a lot of talk about the India-Pakistan match, and people also say that Afghanistan and Pakistan have high chances because they both use the UAE as a home ground. But in the last few bilateral series, you've done pretty well against Pakistan. So do you see yourselves reaching the final?
You can't predict, obviously. I mean, all the teams are quite even. As I said before, all the teams are here to win and play their best cricket, obviously. And in this tournament, you lose one game, you'll be out of the series. So you can't do too many mistakes. You've got to be on your toes and play your best cricket to beat any team, because any team can beat any team on their day.
And just one quick question for Rohit Sharma. Rohit, you had a next session this morning. Just a few of you arrived last night, more coming from the English climate. How did you see the UAE heat and humidity?
Not so pleasant for sure. But which is probably the reason we wanted to come a little earlier, get used to the conditions. We've never played in this part of the world, of late. If I'm not wrong, 12 years. So we wanted to come here a little earlier, and and those guys back who arrived from England, had a very hectic schedule as well. So it's for their own good that they go home and just spend some time with their family and come back here and spend some time in the middle, because it is important to get used to the conditions. It's not going to be that easy, but yes, it's going to be same for all the team. So we just have to focus on playing good cricket. That's all.
My question is for Angela. You opened the tournament against Bangladesh tomorrow, and the last time you guys met, it was a pretty heated occasion in the Trophy. And we know that you're good friends off the field, but will there be an extra edge in the opener tomorrow? Do you think it will play a factor?
Well, obviously past is past. I mean, we want to move on. We just want to focus, as Rohit said, we just want to focus on playing good cricket, regardless of the opposition. We just want to go out there and enjoy our cricket. So whether it's Bangladesh or India or Pakistan or any other team, we just want to focus on playing good cricket and play within the rules and spirit of cricket.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, for talking to us and sharing your thoughts, and we wish you all the best for a competitive tournament. I request you to stay with us because I'd like to invite Mr. Vinay Shetty, the title sponsor, Unimoney Vice Chairman, to please join us. We'll have a look at the trophy. Friends of the media, please stay where you are. We'll get an opportunity to take your photographs as well. If I could just request you to come in a slightly orderly fashion and just remove your mics so that we can remove these tables for the trophy.